we're Bad Sounds Bestival. We're at the JÄGERHAUS. We're about to do challenge 56, answering 56 questions in 56 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hummus.
Good.
The Kardashians.
Shit.
The 80s.
Shit.
Vindaloo.
Good.
DJs.
Good.
Fabric.
Happy.
Breakfast in bed.
Dude.
The JÄGERHAUS.
Cool.
The future.
Great.
Hot chip.
Great.
Mud.
Shit.
Festival.
Great.
Donald Trump.
Shit.
Mondays.
Mondays?
Yeah.
I don't work Mondays.
Coffee.
I don't really like them.
Roller skates.
Fucking great.
90s classics.
Great.
Carlisle.
Don't know who that is. Probably great, because I'm an absolute.
David Rodigan. Skip it.
I don't know
Superheroes. Animal.
shit.
Who cares? Selfies. Burritos.
Fucking
Rio.
great.
Marmite.
Everybody
Hot
loves
dogs.
it.
Beyonce.
Everyone loves
Jägermeister.
the bad
Kittens. Leather. Mopeds.
Shit.
Car boot sales. Oh,
Fucking
shit. Ibiza.
10 seconds.
Shit. Left field, Spotify, ponytails,
Shut
Olympics, dates, beanie hats, flying bros, Tinder, the gym, records, pop punk,
They're all
cafe.
shit.
Crystal Fighters.
No, they're sleepy.
Like, all of them.
I'm not sure. That's a clear win, right?
You watch your back. You count 56. We were Bad Sounds and we win.
Friday.